Chapter 1, Verse 2.
All praise is due to Allah.
A person praises another for one of four reasons. The first is that the praised one is full of perfection in terms of attributes and characteristics and free from defects and shortcomings. Regardless of whether any favor has been received from the praised one or not, their perfection is still worthy of praise. The second reason for praising others is when the praised one has done a favor in the past to the person praising them. Therefore, the words of praise are a form of gratitude for the past favor. The third reason for praising others is that the one who praises hopes for a favor from the praised one in the future. The final reason for praising others is that the praised possesses qualities which demand praise, such as power and might. All of these reasons equally apply to Allah, the Exalted, and whoever else possesses any of these reasons only does so as Allah, the Exalted, granted it to them. Therefore, all praise and thanks belongs to Allah, the Exalted, alone. In addition, a created being gives to another seeking some kind of return, whether that be divine reward, human praise, fulfilling a right, or avoiding being called a miser. One who seeks a return is not truly a benefactor and is therefore not deserving of praise in reality, whereas Allah, the Exalted, does not bestow blessings on the creation for any of these reasons. He does so as he is the most generous and most kind. He does not gain any type of benefit from bestowing blessings on the creation, so therefore he is the only one who truly deserves all praise. This fact should remind Muslims that every prohibition and command of Allah, the Exalted, do not exist to make people's life harder, nor does Allah, the Exalted, benefit from the obedience of the creation. They only exist in order to benefit people in both this world and in the next, even if these benefits are not apparent to people. For example, the negative effects of alcohol, which science has proven, was not always apparent, such as its negative effect on the organs of the body. It only became unlawful in Islam to protect people from this and other harms. In addition, it is an aspect of faith to accept something without understanding its wisdoms. If all the wisdoms of the commands and prohibitions were made apparent, then it would not allow Muslims to possess complete faith. Allah, the Exalted, does not benefit from these commands and prohibitions, only people do.